Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by exporting your Outlook signature so Android can use the same HTML and images. Open Outlook and navigate to Signatures. Copy the HTML source or save the signature as an HTML file with image assets. Once done, place those files on a synced service like OneDrive, Google Drive, or email them to an account you can access on your phone. This preserves formatting and embedded images and ensures you're not recreating the signature manually, important for branding and consistent appearance. Next, you import that HTML into the Outlook Android app. Open Outlook on your phone and find signature settings for the account you want. If the app won't accept raw HTML, open the HTML file in your phone browser or a rich text editor, select the rendered signature, and copy-paste it into Outlook's signature field. Make sure images are accessible. Host them online with absolute URLs or reinsert them in the editor so they render correctly in mobile mail, because local file paths won't work. Finally, finalize and validate the signature by sending test messages to yourself and colleagues, checking both desktop and mobile renderings. If images show broken links, rehost them on a secure HTTPS server and update the image URLs in your HTML, then paste again. If Outlook for Android strips your HTML, try using a third-party mail client that preserves formatting or save the signature as a template/snippet you can insert. If problems persist, clear app cache, reinstall, and repeat the page.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.